Margaret Elizabeth Noble was born on 28 October 1867 in the town of Dungannon of Ireland. She was a daughter of a pastor. She learned the values of service to mankind during her formative years. Margaret Elizabeth Noble, Sister Nivedita, became an ardent disciple of Swami Vivekananda after meeting him in 1895 in London. She became a teacher at the age of just 17 and was engaged to be married, but her fiance died before the marriage and she moved on. She studied varied subjects like physics, music, literature, and arts, and also read various religious books. She had also gained a reputation as a prolific writer in London. She developed her own unique methodology of teaching. In 1895, Margaret met Swami Vivekananda in London. She became under his spell and came to Calcutta in 1898. She was drawn towards Vedanta philosophy and Vivekananda's teachings. Her life changed forever when she took monastic orders on 25 March 1898. Swami Vivekananda initiated her into the vow of Brahmacharya and renamed her Nivedita. The meaning of Nivedita, the dedicated one. Thus, she became the first Western woman to take up formal monastic orders in India. She also met Sarada Devi, wife of Ramakrishna, and became devoted to her. Sister Nivedita traveled widely in India and learned much about Indian history and philosophy. She also learned Bengali. Vivekananda gave her the responsibility of women's education in India. Nivedita dedicated herself to the cause and even traveled to the USA to popularize her cause. She wrote several books and articles. Some of them are Kali the Mother, Cradle Tales of Hinduism, The Master as I Saw Him, Religion and Dharma, Civic and National Ideals, etc. She also took an active interest in the Indian national movement and supported the cause. She was also close to Aurobindo Ghosh. During the 1899 plague epidemic in Calcutta, she plunged herself into service and also encouraged people to voluntarily serve those in need. Nivedita established a girls' school in Calcutta. She taught girls, adult women, and widows in her school. A relatively less known fact about her is her support to the Indian scientist Dr. Jagadish Chandra Bose in his work. She helped him financially and also in getting recognition since he faced discrimination from the establishment. She had immense respect for India, and this is reflected in the following excerpt from an editorial writing by her. The Sister Nivedita died in Darjeeling, West Bengal in 1911, aged 43, owing to ill health. Her memorial, erected in Darjeeling, says, "Here reposes Sister Nivedita, who gave her all to